Hey there! Are you ready to go on a super fun counting adventure with me today? It's gonna be awesome!
I hope so, because a friend of ours really needs some help, and I think you, yes you, are the perfect person for the job. Are you ready to be a counting hero?
Okay, here we are. This is Uncle MacDonald's farm. And whoa, look at all those adorable rabbits. He has so many that he can't keep track. I think we can help him. What do you say?
All right, to help him, we're going to need a special secret tool. See this little sign right here? That's called a plus sign, and it's super cool. Whenever you see it, it just means add more or put them together. It's kind of like a magic counting wand.
And we have another secret tool. This one is the equals sign. See those two little lines? This sign is so important because it tells us what the total is. You know, how many we have altogether when we're done counting. It gives us the big answer. Okay, are you ready to try it? Let's do it. Look, there's one little fluffy rabbit just hopping along. Oh, and wait, here comes another one to be friends. So we have one rabbit plus one more rabbit, that equals 2 rabbits. See? Easy. All right, so now we have our 2 rabbit buddies hopping around. But hey, look over there. Let's add one more. So now we have 2 rabbits plus one more rabbit. What does that equal? That's right, 3 rabbits. You're so good at this.
You are doing an amazing job. Let's not stop now. We've got 3 rabbits playing together. And here comes another little friend. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. 4 fluffy rabbits.
Okay, now we have a party of 4 rabbits. And guess what? Another one wants to join the fun. So 4 rabbits plus one more equals 5. 5 happy rabbits all together. That's fantastic. Wow, would you look at that? We've already counted all the way to 5. You know what? We have our own built-in counters with us all the time. Let's use our super-powered counting fingers for the next part. Get 'em ready. Okay, can you hold up 5 fingers? Your whole hand. Perfect. Now, let's add one more finger from your other hand. So 5 fingers plus one more finger equals 6 fingers. You got it. Great job. All right, let's keep those 6 fingers up. Now pop up one more. What's that going to make? 6 plus 1 equals 7. 7 fingers. You are a total natural at this. Okay, we have 7 fingers up. Now let's add just one more. 7 plus 1 equals 8. You're a counting machine. Okay, what comes after 8? You know this. We have 8 fingers wiggling. Let's add one more, and that makes 9 fingers. We're so close. And for the big finale, we've got 9 fingers up. Let's add that very last one. And 9 plus 1 equals 10! 10 fingers! We did it! Give yourself a high 5 or a high 10. Wow, look how happy Uncle MacDonald is. You are amazing. Thanks to you, we counted all 10 of his rabbits. So, since you're such an expert now, are you ready for a super fast, super fun quiz to show what you know? I bet you are. Let's do it. Okay, first one. Quick, what's 2 rabbits plus one more rabbit?
3! Yes, you got it. Awesome!
All right, next up, 4 rabbits plus 1 rabbit. What does that equal? 5. That's it. You're so smart.
You really are a counting superstar. Get ready. 6 rabbits plus 1 rabbit is
7. Whoa, amazing. You are totally on a roll. Okay, just a couple more to go. 8 rabbits plus 1 more makes what? 9. Fantastic. I knew you'd get it. You are officially a counting hero. Seriously, you did such an incredible job today. Addition is super fun, right? Now you can practice counting everything, your toys, your snacks, anything. Keep using that plus sign and find out how many things you can count. Thanks for being such a great helper today.